Hello everybody. I welcome all of you to my channel Vadivukarasi's Learn, Aspire and Inspire. The topic is 100% easy even for a beginner to use Canva. Canva is a online software where you can design for your poster, your YouTube thumbnail, your YouTube art, channel art, and whatnot, magazine cover, your book cover, whatever you want, you can design it beautifully and you can show your creativity on this software. Right, Photoshop is difficult for that is for experts. They can use it. So, people like me, those who are not aware of designing, you can use this platform very beautifully, right? And before you watch the video, don't forget to subscribe my channel, like it and share it, and don't forget to click the bell icon. Opening the Google Chrome, you can type canva.com, Canva, canva.com, canva.com. If you click that, you get the interface of this. Since I have already signed in, I get the homepage of this Canva app. If you're the first visitor, if you're going to access it for the first time, it will ask you to provide your Google account ID and password. Right, you have to open it with your Google account. So after opening your this Canva with your Google account, you can see this interface. Design anything, whatever that you want. You can design. The difference between Photoshop and this Canva is that even the non-designers, the beginners, right? Those who don't know, those who don't have time to sit and design and no idea about designing, it is like a ready-made option. Everything is available. You can just like that explore it. And they all know that it was introduced in 2012, this Canva. It's really very useful for everybody, right? So when you open this, you can see this one. And if you go down, you can see lots of options: logos, posters, Instagram post, your designs, all the designs which you have already created. These are the things that I have already created. So it shows like this. And very important thing is the side and this one. Okay. Even here also, if you want to try, if you want to search something, you can search it here. Okay, so we are in the home page now. If you want to go for some templates, you can click it here and you can see a ready-made, even for education, lesson plan, worksheet, certificate, bookmark, class schedule, and all those things. YouTube intro, video, audio, whatnot, music, everything is free. And also we have to pay for some pro, those things. If you see like this, that crown that shows that it is a pro, you have to pay and use it, right? Okay, and here you can see something they have recommended for me, and all your designs which you have created, you can click it. And if somebody has shared with you, it is a cloud, right? It is a cloud storage like a Google Drive. You can anytime you can access it. I'll show you all the designs which I have created already. Yeah, these are the things. Anytime we can come back and access it. It won't we won't lose it. You can reuse it, right? Okay. And yeah, let me go and tell you how to use this create a design. Click here and you can see custom size. Whatever the size that you want, you can, yeah, if you click it here, the width, height, everything it asks. And also it shows recently what are the sizes that I used also it shows. So after giving that, you have to click it and that size space will be provided for you, right? And that is custom size video. You can upload, you can see number of options: invitations, business card, CD cover, book cover. If you're going to publish a book, ebook or something, yeah, here also you can come and you can prepare your own, you can give life to your creativity. That's special about it. And YouTube video ad, t-shirt. If you want to write something on your t-shirt, and desktop wallpaper, your wallpaper, desktop wallpaper, you can create it. Wow, wonderful, right? A4 document, and related to Facebook, YouTube, magazine cover, announcement. If you want to give a pamphlet, Yeah, it is here. Templates are here. If you want to go for blank one, you can go blog. If you have a blog, you can create blog graphic and a WhatsApp story, certificate, video collage, not only photograph. You can also collage the videos and Pinterest, gift certificate, YouTube channel art, newsletter, and circle stickers. Whatnot. You can explore it whenever you have time. Okay, so today I shall tell you about yeah, YouTube icon also very useful if you're a YouTuber, and for presentation you can use it. You can see the size, right? And today I thought I can tell you how to create a YouTube thumbnail. The same thumbnail you can use for your PPT also, right? I use it for Google's OBS slides. Okay, right. So when I click this YouTube thumbnail, you get like this. So this is this is the space where you have to work out now, and you can see templates, uploads, photos, elements, text, videos, a background. All these options are here, and if you click more, you can see apps. You can also go for styles, music, YouTube, Pixton. All those apps are here, right? And all these backgrounds are free, all these photographs are free, all these elements are free, but some elements or some photographs you need to buy. Okay, but maximum it is free. Most of the stuff here are free, but some of them you have to pay, right? If you want to upload something from your system, image or something, you can upload. You can click this option. If it is a image, photo, if it is a video or audio, anything you can upload here. These are the things, images I have uploaded it already. Okay, now if you want to create a thumbnail, what you have to do, if you want to select a background, right? You click here, you can see number of backgrounds here. Whatever that you want you can create, or if you don't like it, you can upload from your own videos, and you can select it. Okay, you can select it. For example, if I want to go for okay, one background, which background I want, something, yeah, this one. If you go for this one, you can see here, you can click, you can come, and if you want number of pages, you can add it here. You can have any number of pages. You want to upload a photo, or if you want to, this is the background, right? If you want to upload a photo, you can, any media, if it is an image or a video or audio, anything you can upload in this, using this option. So these are the things I have uploaded it already. If you want to put something, or if you want to Google something, you can use it, right? Or anytime, anything, you can copy and put it here. Example, I go for Canva, go for image. Okay, if I copy this image, I can copy and I can keep it here, and I can paste it. But the thing is, we cannot use your mouse, but you have to use your keys, Control V. You have to give a Control V. See, I have given Control V using my laptop keys, right? Only then you can paste it directly. You need not upload. You can directly, you can copy and paste it here. That is user friendly, right? So yeah, you can have your image here. If you want to change the background, you can see I go here and I can change the background. It is changed, right? So if you want to type something, you can see it is text is available. Click here, add heading, subheading, and if you want a little bit of body text, you can go here. If you want to add a heading, you can see, you can move it wherever you want, and you can extend it like this. You can delete it. This is how you have to delete it, and you can type it. Introduction to Canva. Right, if you want to make it as a single line, you can go like this. If you want to change the color, select it, and you can see text color, whatever the color that you want, you can click it here. Okay, for the next page, right? Okay, so it's not visible, so you can change the color here. Yeah, what color that you want, you can go for it. And this is element. If you want any shapes to be added, yeah, you can explore here and you can add it. Even if you want this picture, it is free. If you keep the cursor, it will show you it is free. Some it would be it won't be free, you have to buy it. It will show pro, right? And shapes, right? If you want to use shapes, for example, if you want to have a border here, there you want to write it, you can click it here and go and keep it here, extend it. Okay, if you want to change the color, you can click here, just go and click in the top, this one, and you can change the color. You can change it, right? Even the below also, you can have any shapes that you want. You can go for elements and you can go for shapes. If you want to add video also, you can add it, whatnot. Everything is free here. And if you want to type it here also, you can type it. Okay, so if you want to type it, you have to type it inside the text. Okay, click it, add a heading. If and you can delete it. Before you delete it, you just extend it so that you get space, right? Have to use Canva. If I want to go, keep it here, you just, yeah, it should show like this. Take it here, okay? Extend it. We want to font size, change the font size, the font style also you can change it here. But if you see this crown, you have to buy it. Okay, if it is not, it is free. You can change it. Okay, it changes here, right? And after everything is ready, you just have to download it by clicking here. You can see it will suggest you whether it's PNG or JPG, PDF, MP4, video, or a GIF, whatever you want. If you want to make it a video, you can upload video. You know that this is where you have to upload the video. So if I download, I will download and show it. So PNG is better. So if you say download, yeah, only one page, right? So it is easily downloaded. Immediately it is downloaded. You can show it introduction. You can see it here. Yeah, it is ready to use. So this is how you can access the Canva app for creating your posters and whatnot, whatever that you want. So that's enough for today. I'll meet you in the next video. Life is beautiful when we learn, aspire, and inspire.